What if I told you luxury isn't just leather seats and quiet cabins anymore? What if it could read your mood, adjust your seat like a personal butler, and drive with the grace of a private jet? Well, buckle up, because the 2026 Mercedes S-Class isn't just a car. It's rolling royalty, and it's here to redefine what luxury really means in America. Welcome back to Supercar Elegant. I'm Liam from the United States, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss the latest in luxury machines. And hey, share this video with someone who appreciates cars that do more than just get you from point A to B. Let's dive into the all-new 2026 S-Class, and trust me, you'll want to watch till the very end. The first look is enough to stop traffic. With its wider grille, signature digital light headlights, and a silhouette that screams authority, the S-Class now looks more confident than ever. It's like a tuxedo on wheels, sleek, powerful, elegant. The 2026 S-Class features new aerodynamic refinements, flush door handles, and chrome detailing that feels handcrafted. The 21-inch alloy wheels add a subtle aggression. And those new taillights? Sharp, refined, unmistakably Mercedes. Step inside, and you're entering a private sanctuary. Ambient lighting wraps the cabin in calming tones, and the MBUX Hyperscreen is your command center, blending art with intelligence. Massaging seats, heated armrests, a scent diffuser that's synced with your mood. This isn't a car, it's a wellness suite. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid support, delivering up to 496 horsepower, 0 to 60 in just 4 seconds, yes, in a full-size luxury sedan. And the e-active body control adjusts suspension in real time, so bumps feel like whispers. It reads your eyes, follows your voice, anticipates your every move. The new driver assistance package includes hands-free highway driving, 360 degrees predictive safety, and even semi-autonomous lane changes. This S-Class doesn't just drive, it protects, adapts, and entertains. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class isn't just keeping up with luxury trends, it's setting the gold standard. Whether you're being chauffeured through downtown Manhattan or gliding solo on a California freeway, this car turns every drive into a statement. So is the 2026 S-Class still the king of luxury sedans? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love this first drive breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with every car lover you know. This is Liam from Supercar Elegant, and until next time, drive elegant.